He
This,
was.
this is Dolly Graziani, and she's a widow of one of the Pearl Harbor survivors. And I'd like for you to tell us a little bit about your husband and what he was doing on December 7th, 1941.
Okay. That's Jack Palmer, and he was stationed on Fort Island. And he said he was asleep in his bunk when this happened, and he just heard the noise and jumped up real quickly and looked out and thought they were having a drill on Sunday. Was kind of unusual. Suddenly realized when he saw one of the Japanese planes that it wasn't a drill, it was the real thing. And so he got out of bed and down off his bunk and went running down, and by that time there were several guys that were needing help to get back into. They actually took them to the mess hall for a place to take the injured, wounded ones until they could get better facilities. So this was all, of course, a big shock to all of them. So he did that. And actually, what his job was, he worked on the airplanes, but there was nothing he could do at that time because they couldn't get the airplanes out of the hangar because they were being bombed so heavily. So best he could do was help the wounded at that time. Of course, from there on, it was just utter chaos. And he said, he had, of course, an unusual view that he didn't care to have, and that was watching the Oklahoma roll over. And he said those were things that, you don't ever forget. They just stick with you in your mind forever. And you see these guys that are just out there in the water helpless, and you can only do just so much to help. But it was quite an experience, and he didn't really like to talk about it a lot.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your memories about Jack and about all the things that he did on that fateful day. And I know everybody was grateful for him to be around to grab up injured people and move them to the mess hall and where they could triage.
That's true. And of course he
probably
always
saved some people's lives by being able to do that.
And he always told me after seeing all that, he said, when it's time for me to go, I just want to die instantly.